Have you ever dreamed of driving a luxury car without paying full price, only to find that used doesn't always mean smart? Some cars may look stunning, but their maintenance nightmares, electronics failures, or brutal depreciation make them money pits in disguise. From engines that fail unexpectedly to expensive to fix tech, not every luxury vehicle is a good deal, even used. Today, we're counting down the 10 worst used luxury cars to buy in 2025. Which of these would you avoid? And is there one you'd still risk it all for? Let's get into it. Number 10, Acura RLX, 2014 to 2020. The Acura RLX was Honda's attempt at a full-size luxury sedan to rival the Germans. It's well-built, smooth, and mechanically reliable, but it suffers from weak resale values and little enthusiast interest. Even used examples hold little excitement. Styling is understated. The V6 hybrid is efficient but uninspiring, and it just doesn't have the fan base that keeps values strong. Maintenance is generally simple, but because the RLX wasn't popular, parts are harder to find, and resale is painfully low. You can find clean models for under $20,000 USD, or about $26,000 Canadian. Quick question. Would you buy a reliable, understated luxury sedan if it meant zero resale value later? Number 9. Mercedes-Benz CLS, 2011 to 2014. C218 early models. The CLS turned heads with its swooping coupe-like styling on a 4-door sedan body. But early C218 models are notorious for electronics failures, air suspension issues, and costly repairs. The iconic lines don't change the fact that owning one is a financial gamble. Air suspension repairs alone can reach $5,000 or more, and electronics glitches are constant. Even though you can find these cars under $25,000 USD or $33,000 Canadian, expect to spend a small fortune keeping it running. The drive is still luxurious and smooth, but every mile comes with the worry of expensive problems. Fun fact, the CLS was one of the first Mercedes sedans with fully adaptive air suspension, but early tech can be more headache than luxury. Number 8, Jaguar XE, 2017 to 2020. Jaguar promised the XE as a stylish BMW 3 Series rival. In theory, it had sharp handling, modern styling, and a lightweight chassis. In practice, unreliability and forgettable performance plagued early models. Engines and electronics can fail, and dealer support has been inconsistent, leaving owners frustrated. While it drives well and looks sleek, depreciation is severe. A 2018 XE might cost $22,000 USD, or about $29,000 Canadian today, but repair bills can escalate quickly. The XE is a reminder that not every compact luxury sports sedan delivers lasting value. Quick question. Would you take a risk on a stylish car with potential reliability headaches, or stick to a more dependable German rival? Number 7. BMW 5 Series, 2011 to 2016. To 10550. 8. The F10550 is undeniably fun to drive. Powerful V8, precise handling, and plenty of tech. But under the hood lurks V8 reliability nightmares, especially with high mileage examples. Cooling system failures, turbocharger issues, and expensive electronics repairs make this one of the worst used luxury buys in 2025. Parts and labor are expensive, and depreciation doesn't help. Expect to pay $20,000 to $25,000 USD, or $26,500 to $33,000 Canadian for a clean model, but prepare for bills that can quickly eclipse the purchase price. Driving it is thrilling, but every acceleration comes with a silent reminder. This isn't a cheap hobby. Number 6. Lexus GS 460, 2008 to 2011. The GS 460 is powerful, smooth, and rare, but rarity is a double-edged sword. It's expensive to maintain, has little aftermarket support, and resale is unpredictable. The V8 is bulletproof, but electronics, suspension, and drivetrain parts are costly if they fail. Even though it's comfortable and refined, this sedan doesn't hold value like German rivals. Prices today hover around $15,000 USD, or about $20,000 Canadian. But maintenance and parts scarcity make ownership stressful for most. Would you risk a high-maintenance rare Lexus just for the badge, or play it safe with something more common and supported? Number 5. Tesla Model S, 2012 to 2016, early builds. The Tesla Model S revolutionized EVs, but early builds can be a nightmare on the used market. Battery degradation, costly drive unit replacements, and electronics failures make it a high-risk buy. While it still accelerates like a rocket and feels futuristic inside, expect repair bills to offset the savings of buying used. Prices range from $25,000 to $35,000 USD, or $33,000 to $46,000 Canadian for clean examples, but potential owners must consider long-term reliability, especially with early battery tech. Quick question: would you gamble on a used Tesla knowing repair costs might skyrocket, or stick with a more conventional luxury sedan? Number 4. Cadillac XTS, 2013 to 2019. The Cadillac XTS looks like luxury on the surface, with soft leather, smooth suspension, and a quiet cabin. But beneath the styling is a heavy, underpowered platform with mediocre driving dynamics. Depreciation is brutal, and even a well-maintained XTS may sell for under $15,000 USD, or about $20,000 Canadian, far below original MSRP. Parts are relatively affordable, but the ride lacks excitement, and buyers often overlook it, making resale low. The XTS is a reminder that looks alone don't make a car worth owning. Number 3, Volvo XC90, 2016 to 2018, early second gen. The XC90 is beautiful, safe, and full of Scandinavian elegance, but early second generation models had electronics and software issues that frustrate owners. Touchscreens freeze, sensors misread, and hybrid powertrain components can fail. Even with strong safety ratings and comfortable seats, these issues make the XC90 a risky buy used. Expect prices around $30,000 USD, or about $39,000 Canadian. For early models, but you're paying a premium for beauty and tech that might not hold up. This SUV is proof that style doesn't always equal long-term value. Number 2, Lincoln MKS, 2009 to 2016. The MKS tried to present an old platform as luxury with minimal updates. Unfortunately, it suffers from zero enthusiast demand, outdated tech, and mediocre performance. The ride is soft. The V6 is adequate but uninspiring, and depreciation has been merciless. You can pick one up for under $10,000 USD, or about $13,000 Canadian, but with minimal support and zero aftermarket options. The MKS is essentially a rolling warning sign for buyers looking for value. Number 1, Alfa Romeo Giulia, 2017 to 2019, early models. Finally, the Alfa Romeo Giulia looks like it was made for enthusiasts. Sharp handling, responsive engines, and stunning Italian design. But early models are plagued with electrical issues, build quality problems, and unpredictable reliability. Owners often report costly repairs within the first few years, and depreciation is steep. Prices today hover around $25,000 USD, or about $33,000 Canadian. But ongoing maintenance can easily exceed the savings. The Giulia is a reminder that exotic design doesn't always equal practical ownership. Quick question: would you buy a beautiful, fun-to-drive car knowing it might constantly break down, or stick with something reliable but less exciting? So there you have it, the 10 worst used luxury cars to buy in 2025. From the unreliable Alfa Romeo Giulia to the electronics-heavy Mercedes CLS and the undervalued Lincoln MKS, each of these models teaches a lesson. A luxury badge alone does not guarantee a smart investment. The safe strategy is to buy models with proven reliability, simpler electronics, and strong support networks. If you do take a risk on one of these, be prepared for higher maintenance costs and potential headaches. Which of these cars would you avoid like the plague? And is there one you'd still take a chance on?